Hi, it's me, Veronica. In today's video, I have this tutorial showing you how I did this hairstyle. So if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. Hola amigos, soy Verónica y en este video les voy a estar enseñando cómo logré este look de estas ondas suaves, y si gustan ver cómo logré este look, pues solo sigan viendo. I'm just gonna flat iron my hair first, and then I will be creating the soft beachy waves on my hair. Okay, so now that I'm done with this step, now I'm gonna go on to step number 2. So this is what I'm gonna be using. This is the wand from AH Absolute Hot. And I've had this for the longest time. I just never really used this. I'm not gonna do every single piece of my hair, so I'm gonna be skipping some of it. And the trick to this is not to go all the way around like this. You wanna leave like at least 1 inch off the wand. And you only leave it for like 10 seconds, at least on my wand. I only leave it for like 10 seconds, and this one, obviously I left it for too long. I'm gonna skip a piece of hair. I'm gonna leave like 1 inch to 2, maybe 1 inch, and then I'm just gonna grab a random piece of hair and I'm gonna curl again, wrap the hair around the wand. And you can do thick pieces of hair, you can do smaller pieces of hair.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my Savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt, calling forever?
This is the final look of this easy hairstyle, and I really like how it turns out. You can do front and back curls. Just remember, don't leave the hair on the wand for too long, because it won't give you the beachy loose wave look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like the hairstyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ojalá les haya encantado este look. Es muy, siento yo que es muy natural, unas ondas muy naturales, muy suaves. Y si les gustó este videito, por favor no olviden de darme un dedito hacia arriba. Y no se olviden de suscribirse si aún no lo han hecho. Y nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego. Bye.